My name is Biraj Shrestha and I study in the British College. And now I'm gonna start the demonstration for ASE. Here I've already added email, surname, first name, student ID, course. Our tutor group is group 2 Duncan. I understand that I must upload all my code to the link on Bicket by the deadline. If I do not upload by the deadline, I'll be subject to late penalty. Yes, I understand. I am recording a YouTube demo showing this form and on screen and showing and explaining the code with each question, and I'll submit this form. Yes. I understand that if my YouTube demo video is more than 15 minutes long, I'll have to verify. Yes. I will put chapters markers in my video for each question. Yes. I will read assignments and in instructions before asking questions. Yes. I have used the latest Bush programs found in, and I have checked that I have the latest version of Bush there. Here, let me show you. Here, as you can see, I've used the latest version of Boost, which is 1.1 and which is the latest version. Version control. My GitHub username is drccd. What is the link to your repo? Here, this is the link to my repo. Paste link to your documentation site on GitHub. Since the Git repo given by the university is private, I created my own public repo for the documentation. Here I'll show you the documentation, which is this. Here I've documented everything perfectly, as you can see, and I've also updated the documentation into the Git. So this is my link to the documentation. Total number of commits. As you can see, my total number of commits is 27. At least five more documented commits. Since the commits are more than 527, yes. Updated readme file. Yes, I have updated all my readme file. Here you can see I have added my name, my group, student ID, my tutor. So yes, I have updated the readme file as well. Use of interfaces. Interfaces to be used for all classes when where appropriate. Show in your code and explain how you use it. Yes, I have used interface in my code. Here you can see I have implemented iCanvas for my app canvas class, and also I have implemented another. Here I have implemented iParser for the app praiser class. So yes, I have used interfaces. For the unit testing, you should have a clearly named unit test for each of class. Unit test for all my class showing your code. Yes, I have done all my unit testings for all my classes as well. Here you can see I have 3 test files, and inside those files I have added all the testing for all the classes. Here you can see unit test document with external comments clearly showing its purpose. Yes, I have commented everything showing its purpose fully. As you can see, fully commented. Unit tests run and pass, show them running in testing framework and given all text. So let's test. Here you can see all the tests have been passed and all green ticks have been passed as well. So yes, design patterns. Your project should be written using design patterns with appropriate. Factory design pattern used for command generation. Show it in your code, explain how it works. Yes, I have used them. Here in my app command factory, here you can see all the commands. I've used all the commands from which the commands choose which class to use when the commands have been passed. Yes, additional design pattern, show in design pattern, explain what they are. Yes, I have used additional design pattern. Let me show you. I've used application compound command. I've used the compound composite pattern where you can see in this application compound command class is being here, and this class is being used by all the loops in my program, such as application if here, as you can see, application command has been used, and else as well it's been used. So yes, I've done additional design pattern. The original design pattern is compound composite pattern. Implementation details. Before moving on, show that you have got the latest boost DLL installed. Show the output. Here already you saw that we have the latest boost DLL. Variables replaced in class, show it running. So put an image of it running. Yes, I have done that. Let me show you. Which one is this? It's unrestricted int. Unrestricted command. This is the unrestricted int command. Here, as you can see, it's been running properly. Paste the link to the image file in your repo. Yes, I have added the image to my repo as well. Here in Boost programs, variables, and unrestricted int png. Here, exactly similar to my file. So this is a link to the repo. Show it running unrestricted reals. Yes, I have done this as well. Let's reset everything and copy the unrestricted real code. As you can see, it's running, but then, oh wait, my command is different. When color, reset everything again, run. As you can see, it's been running, but then the circle is not occurring because the circle cannot read the real number. That's why the circle is not being generated. And you can see the link to my repo in here as well. Unrestricted real png. Here, see, this is my link to the repo. Replace array class with running boost examples. Yes, I've done this as well. Let's copy the unrestricted array code. Copy, and let's reset this. Paste. As you can see, it's been running properly. Paste the link to my image. Yes, I'll paste this as well. This is the link. Now for loops, if, while, and for. While working, unrestricted show it running. Yes, I've done this as well. Yes. Now unrestricted is. Let's copy this. Now paste it. Reset this and paste. Here you can see it's been running properly. Now I've added this to the repo as well. Unrestricted in. Yeah, here you can see. For working unrestricted show it running. Yes, I've done this as well. Let's copy the code for unrestricted for. Oh, wait, this is for. I've wait. I showed you for if. Let me show you again. For while. Unrestricted while. This is the code. Just reset this. This is the code for unrestricted while, and the link to the unrestricted file is unrestricted while. It's restricted while. Sorry for that. Here I'll show you the link to the while loop. Yeah, this is the link. So pasting into this. For working in unrestricted, so for unrestricted for, yes, I've done this as well. Let me show you. Now for unrestricted for, this is the code. Let's copy the code and let's run it. Here you can see the output generated. Since the circle with radius 600 cannot fit in my canvas dimensions, it is not being generated. So let's reset this and paste the link to the for file as well. I'll paste the link for as well. Unrestricted for. Yeah, it's this. Yeah, so this is the link for unrestricted for. Copying and now pasting it. Now for unrestricted ifs, yes, I've done this as well. Let me show you this as well. Now unrestricted ifs is this. Now pasting it. Here you can see the outreach being generated properly. And then for the link to the demo as well. Unrestricted. Yes. Yep, this is the link. Now else working unrestricted, else this will work without restrictions or level. No, I've not done this. Replaced method class for it running, putting the image of it running in the same directory. Yes, I've done this. Methods, unrestricted method, and this running, resetting this. Now let's run this. Yeah, you can see it's running properly. So yes, I've done this. Now paste the link to the image. Now pasting the link. Yeah, you can see the link is also there. Now, have you done anything that is additional and substantial? This is not just more of the same, but something challenging, such a web version or different type of output, such as text graphics, or other boost command that do something programming, replaced parser, or done everything from scratch, but use proper extensible structure interface dependency in them. Yes, I have done something. I have used console using multi-threading to ensure it operates independently. I use the background thread in the. Let me show you. I use the background thread in the console environment class by initializing a thread object and starting with run console method. This thread continuously reads user commands from console using console.readline. These commands are processed by passing them into fill form class, which I have created in my form class, which I've created in form here. For execution, the use of separate thread ensures that main UI remains responsive while managing console environment. Let me show you. Deleting this, now running this. Here, as you can see, a console has been created. It's loading. Here now, if I write circle 200 and enter, wait, first move Let me write. Wait, sorry for that. Now let's try running it again. Yeah, now reset this. Let's do. Now move to 200, comma 200. Now circle 200. Now you can see our circle has been generated using console thread. Describe it in your outro. It doesn't. It is implemented a console input handling. Facilities used. I have not used any AI. None. Library used. I have not used any library. None. Other non-standard. I have added save function. Here there's a circle. I have added save and load function, a save image load function and reset as well, and I have added pen color and eraser as well. Now let's try to save this image. An image goes save an image. The image has been successfully saved. Now reset this. Now let's try to load the image. Loading image. Yeah, they're loading this. Yeah, as you can see, the image has been loaded. Wait. Yeah, the image has been loaded, but then it refreshes automatically. And I've also implemented a pen where you can just drag and write your own name or anything using that. And you can even change your pen color with this. Pen color is red, pen color blue. I have an eraser which can erases this everything. So yeah, that's it. Save image, save feature, feature, erase, pen draw feature, eraser feature. Yeah, that's it. Here I've used another facility I've used is docfx. In other comments, other features I've used are save. I've used a input, console input, save and load images, pen draw feature, and eraser feature. I understand that I must upload my code to Beckett. Thank you for watching my demonstration.